Welcome, Business 222, Management 122 class. It is a pleasure to have you in this class, and I look forward to knowing each and every one of you through this course. I just wanted to welcome you to this class initially and also provide you with a few guidelines that may help you in navigating the course. This course is actually supported in helping you with effective both written and speaking communication and business. And throughout this class, we're going to actually practice different chapters. This class will run for 16 weeks in 16 modules. And each week, we're going to cover one chapter. At the end of this course, it will lead to us doing two tasks. One is each one of you will create a resume, and also we will have a mock interview. I will look forward to everyone knowing you, and I want to actually quickly show you the course syllabus as this 16 chapters. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Welcome to your course. My name is Yossi Mosajaran, and I'm your instructor for this course. And we'll be actually together for the next 16 weeks. Each week we'll cover one module, and it will go 16 module. So in this course, we'll actually talk about effective business written and spoken communication. Each week we'll cover one chapter of your course, and which lead actually ultimately to you making a resume, a cover letter, and also having a mock interview, which will cover both the spoken and written language. As I said, this course will be covered in 16 chapters. So each module will cover one chapter.